Hey all, this is Marcus with DigitalituM. Here, quick demo from our technology partner VISAO, visualization of a CAD model through a web browser. You see this manufacturing cell, just shared a web link to it. See it here in the LinkedIn post. You can check it out yourself. With the buttons left and right, we can move the object around, see it from different point of views, have flyers which explain what's going on. And then in the lower right is the magic button View in Your Space, where we transform an augmented reality model into your space where you see it. Here's the code generation. I take my phone, take a picture. It opens up the web browser again. No web installation, no registration. I'm turning around in my back, free space in my office. Camera mode checks everything out, and here is the model in 100%. With the two finger, I scroll it down to 62%, and now I can walk around as this machine would be sitting here and see it in different angles. I even can walk into the machine, check out every detail, and get a better understanding of how this machine works, how to fix it. We see here a spider robot. Down there is the suction cup. Look what I'm doing now. I'm laying on the floor. I'm looking up into the suction cup. You see all the mechanics, the servos up there, every detail. Great application for marketing and sales, for machine builders and system integrators, but then also for training of maintenance workers, engineering. If you want to know more, contact us at DigitalituM. This is the product of our technology partner VISAO from Montreal, Canada.